If you like, you can pair key fobs to use as alternatives to phone key. As with phone key, when a key fob is on you, your car will automatically unlock as you approach it, power on for driving when you press the brake pedal, and lock as you walk away. If you choose to use a fob, you'll just keep it in your purse or pocket most of the time. We've also hidden some buttons inside the fob. Double press on the rear to open or close your liftgate. Press here once to stop your liftgate while it's moving. You can also press and hold here to open or unlatch your charge port. Double press on the windshield area to pop open your front trunk. The locks button is on the roof of the key. A single press locks your Tesla and a double press unlocks it. To pair a key fob for use with your car, tap Controls, Locks, and then here to add a new key. Follow the prompts on the screen. You'll need one of your backup key cards to complete the process. You can manage any of your phone keys, key fobs, or backup key cards from this menu.